The Golden Gate Bridge is one of the most internationally recognized symbols of San Francisco, California, and the United States. It has been declared one of the wonders of the modern world by the American Society of Civil Engineers. Until 1964, the Golden Gate Bridge had the longest suspension bridge main span in the world, at 1,300 meters. Since 1964 its main span length has been surpassed by 10 bridges. It now has the second longest main span in the United States, after the Verrazano Narrows Bridge in New York City. Total length of the Golden Gate Bridge from abutment to abutment is 2,737 meters. The Golden Gate Bridge's clearance above high water averages 67 meters, while its towers, at 227 meters above the water, were the world's tallest on a suspension bridge until 1998, when bridges in Denmark and Japan were completed. Irving Morrow designed the overall shape of the bridge towers, the lighting scheme, and Art Deco elements, such as the tower decorations, street lights, railing, and walkways. The famous international orange color was originally used as a sealant for the bridge. The United States Navy had wanted it to be painted with black and yellow stripes to ensure visibility by passing ships.